This camera hunts birds better than you. OM System OM-1 Review. Yes, it's that smart. Ever feel like your camera's actively sabotaging you? You're out in the wild, the lighting's shifting like a disco rave, your subject's on the move, and your gear is just there, lagging. You waste precious seconds fiddling with settings while the moment of a lifetime disappears into thin air. Frustration piles up. The passion fades. You start to wonder if it's your fault, if you're just not good enough to get that shot. Spoiler, it's not you. It's your outdated gear. And that's why today, we're cracking open the OM System OM-1, a camera that might just redeem your creativity. Let's crank up the pain, shall we? Imagine you've hiked miles into the wilderness. You're perched for hours, finger on the shutter. Then the eagle appears, majestic, perfect, fleeting. You raise your camera, heart racing, and boom, slow autofocus, blurry image, missed shot. Again. And again. Deadlines creep closer, confidence spirals, clients aren't calling back. Your camera's not just holding you back, it's actively hurting your reputation. The stress? Real. The burnout? Closer than you think. That dream portfolio you've been chasing? It won't build itself. This is your crossroads moment. Keep struggling, or step up to pro-level gear that actually delivers. Now here's the game changer. The OM System OM-1 is no ordinary mirrorless camera. It's a full-blown productivity monster disguised in a compact, weather-sealed body. With a 20MP stacked BSI Live MOS sensor, 120 frames per second burst shooting, and 1053-point cross-quad pixel AF, this beast locks onto birds, athletes, and squirrels with predator-level precision. Built to thrive in the harshest conditions, it shrugs off rain, dust, and cold like a champ. And the best part? It's light enough to carry all day without turning your shoulders into mashed potatoes. It doesn't just make photography easier, it makes it fun again. This beauty doesn't stop at stills, it's got full sensor 4K video, 5-axis image stabilization for handheld freedom, and a 50MP high-res mode without a tripod. Capture star trails, lightning bolts, or street vibes with live composite. Edit less with built-in HDR video and slow motion that looks straight out of a wildlife documentary. Plus, the OM-1 connects to your phone in seconds via OI.share, so your epic moments hit social media while your competition is still fumbling with SD cards. Want stress-free shooting that actually sparks your creativity again? Hit that play button and prepare to drool. Don't overthink it, gear like this doesn't stay on shelves long. Thousands of outdoor shooters, travel junkies, birders, and pro creatives are already ditching bulky DSLRs for the nimble, high-performance OM-1. The reviews? Glowing. The results? Jaw-dropping. If you're tired of feeling stuck, burned out, or just plain let down by your gear, this is your sign. Click the link, claim your OM-1 before the next wave of backorders hits, and finally start shooting like the pro you know you are. The difference isn't just visible, it's emotional. Let's make your next shot unforgettable. Don't wait, act now.